All right, I wanted to make a quick video on how to install a DSX IAT Baro Breakout harness. Couldn't find one around, and the kit itself doesn't come with instructions. So real quick and easy, I'll try to give it as much information as possible on it. But so I got the kit with the harnesses. So this is a 3-bar map sensor, and this is an IAT sensor, right? The 3-bar, you're gonna wanna use this in your intake manifold if you're running boost, right? So you can take this one off and replace it with your stock. But me, I didn't have this kit until afterwards, right? I ordered a red 3-bar, so I'm using that one now. So now I have an extra. So your stock one is a 1-bar, okay? You're actually gonna replace the 3-bar that's on this harness with the 1-bar, and it's just gonna stay open in the engine bay, right? So as y'all may know, Procharger, by the way, gives broken harnesses. So this one is on its last leg, so I'm actually gonna replace this. I ended up buying one, didn't need it after all with getting this kit. So anyways, this is gonna go plugged in into your MAF, okay? Let's go into your MAF. This one is gonna go into the extension for your throttle body, right? So this one's gonna go right here to this harness, this whole little connection kit, right? So MAF, this one right here closest to your throttle body. This is going to get drilled into your intake. Some people put it on this side, some people put it on this side. I'm probably going to go right here. It's I believe a 1.5 drill bit with a M14 by 1.5 tap you use, and you're going to screw into there and then tap it in and then screw this in and call it a day, right? So I'm going to do that here shortly. But so IAT sensor here, this one to MAF, this one to this connection plate, replacing where your harness goes from your MAF, and then this 1-bar which will be replaced, right? So your 1-bar can be zip tied up here, just out in the open in the engine. It doesn't need to be anywhere, you don't need to plug it anywhere, just right here in the open, so you can break everything out, right? This is what the kit's meant for. So I'm gonna go ahead, start this install. Should be fairly simple. I'm gonna unplug all this, pull this out, drill, make sure it doesn't get anywhere, so pull the throttle body off as well, and then install it and call it a day. All right, so this is the way it's gonna look with your stock map on there, and not using the 3-bar that they gave you. We are actually going to use the MAF extension harness because it just won't reach without it, right? So we're going to use the MAF extension harness so we can pull this up and then be able to zip tie the map right here. So I'm getting mine in the mail because I broke the clip off of it, because with the silicone housing for the Procharger, it was really against the shroud, which y'all can see I like cut a lot of this right here, so whatever. But yeah. Put a towel in there so the shavings don't go inside. All right, it is now tapped. Let's see if we can get this in there nice and straight. Sweet, it'll go in. All right, got everything going. I already tapped the hole, so everything's already installed. I'm gonna wait to fully install it because again, this sensor I have that Procharger gave me was broken when I got it, and I also broke the clip off when I was messing around with it with the other silicone intake or hose. So yeah, But all I'm gonna do now is plug this hole with this and kind of set it around. I might start it, data log it a little bit with that broken one because it can still sit properly, but yeah. Anyways, I'm gonna do that and then we should be good. So let me finish that real quick. So to reference again, the extension harness, the MAF, is going to be plugged in over here. So from there, you're going to plug in your IAT sensor to that extension. Then you're going to plug the rest of it to the other harness part right here. And then this is going to be zip tied somewhere right here in the open, and just keep it like that in the engine bay. So, but other than that, everything should be good to go. So let's check it out.